In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a contact form to Webflow. This is a great way to enhance your website's functionality and allow visitors to reach out to you easily. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to elfsite.com. Elfsite is a fantastic platform that offers a variety of widgets you can integrate into your website, including contact forms. Once you're on their homepage, look for the option that says Create a Widget. Go ahead and click on it. Now, in the search bar, type Contact Form and hit Enter. You'll see a list of options pop up. Find the one labeled Contact Form and click on it. Elfsite provides several templates to choose from, but for simplicity's sake, let's go with the simple form. Once you've selected it, click on Continue with this template. After you've customized your contact form template to your liking, it's time to make it live. Click on the Publish button. This will generate an embed code for your form, which you'll need to add it to your Webflow site. Highlight the entire embed code and copy it to your clipboard. Next, open a new tab in your browser and navigate to webflow.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look to the dashboard and click on All Sites. This will display a list of all the sites you've created in Webflow. Find the site where you want to add your contact form and click on it to open the site editor. Now that you're in the Webflow editor, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Add Elements. This is where you'll find all the components you can add to your page. In the search bar, type Code Embed, and when it appears in the list, drag it to the desired spot on your page. However, here's an important note. You might find that you can't actually drag the code embed element unless you're on a paid Webflow plan. If you're currently using a free plan, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan to use this feature. Once you've done that, you can proceed with embedding your code. After you've successfully added the code embed element, paste the embed code you copied from Elfsite earlier into the designated field. This will integrate your contact form into your Webflow site. Double check everything to make sure it looks right and then publish your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully added a contact form to your Webflow site. This simple addition can significantly improve your site's interactivity and make it easier for visitors to get in touch with you. If you follow these steps, you'll have a seamless form up and running in no time. Happy building!